I have been waiting 3 whole weeks. That's right, 3 whole weeks. I'm not even gonna be using these as my real headphones. I'm just gonna be using these because I mean I'm not even gonna be using these. I just want to unbox this so I can have 2 unboxing videos in a day. I'll just move this out of the way, I guess. Put the pen out of the way too. This is a gift I got. This is the Black Shark Goblin X2 wired gaming headset, and it's sealed too. So, I figured let's just unbox this in this video because, why not? And I want another unboxing video. So, yeah, that's basically what we're gonna be doing. So, yeah, let's check this thing out. Alright, so to start things off, we're going to take this thing out of its packaging here. So I'm going to, let's just look at the box first. That's probably a good idea. This just says Black Shark, pretty nice. On the bottom, there's not really anything. On the side, it also says Black Shark. And on the bottom, this is Black Shark with some text right there. I don't know how well you're going to be able to read that because it's the camera. I don't think you're even going to be able to read that. I'm just going to turn. Oh my gosh, the brightness settings are not that good. We're gonna just. Yeah, I don't think you can see that. Yeah, I really do not think you can see that at all. Okay, yeah, it was just okay. So let's just open this thing, right? Black Shark Gaming Headset X2 new. I wonder what the new means. If we shake this, you can see that there is more stuff in the box, I think. We'll just shake it and find out. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so let's just unbox this. I mean, I'll try to. I don't know how well this is going to be. I kind of want to unbox this, like, entire thing on video. Okay, I'll be right back after, like, grabbing a pen or something. So, yeah. Oh, wait, I just realized there's, like, a pen right here. Okay, so we got a pen. I don't have a tripod, so I'm just doing with this with one hand. We're gonna open the pen up, and we're just going to slice through the packaging. We're gonna have to make little... Oh my gosh, I'm so bad at opening things. I can't even open this plastic... Okay, here we go. I think I got it. Okay. Okay, there we go. Now we should have a nice little place to start. Yeah, there we go. Let's hope that we can hear the sound. So yeah. Oh my. Okay, don't mind the phone charger. I'm charging my phone while doing this. So yeah. That's actually kind of a nice sound, to be honest. There we go. We'll just get all of that out. Okay, there we go. We'll just put that like right there. And as you can see, let me just close this pen real quick. I'll be right back. Alright, so we got that off. So what we gotta do is we gotta, it's this little tab right here. You gotta do that. And now we're just going to open this, and we get, this sort of thing. This packaging actually doesn't feel that bad. Okay, we got that. Okay, we got something pretty interesting here. So it looks like we got this. This looks like the microphone. Is this just a USB microphone? I think it is just a USB microphone. Okay, then we got the headphones itself. Oh my gosh. This comes in this giant, massive case here. And what else do we have? We also have something else. We got, oh, this probably is the microphone. So then what's this? I want to know what this is. Is this like... Holy cow, is there like a power supply? That would be really stupid if there's like a power supply to the microphone. Let me just, get everything sorted out, like opened up, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back, and apparently this is like some remote control thing. You can see that there's the 3.5mm audio jack, and then it just plugs in via USB. Okay, there's this on here. Cool. This looks like USB 2.0. Yeah, this is USB 2.0, I think. So, yeah, that's pretty interesting. You can see this is like a remote, I guess. You can have headset volume, microphone volume. You can decrease it, turn it down. You can change this. It says Black Shark down there. So this actually, it also has this clamp thing. So I guess you could like put it on something. So yeah, I don't know. You could put it on like your shirt for some reason. I don't know why you would want to do that, but yeah. We got the headphones, which I'll unbox real quick. Wow, this is stupid. It's recording in the wrong thing. Alright, so we're back after fixing that. And you can see here's the microphone. It's a microphone. It's actually just, you know, a microphone you can just plug in using the aux jack. And you might be asking, how does this even work with the headphones? Well, right next to this, there is another aux jack right there. So what you do is, you grab, oh my god, you grab this, the microphone, and then you plug it into the, you put it into this hole here. And, so you make sure you don't, like, force it into the hole. I think I might have to force it into the hole. Anyways, you put it into the hole here, and there you go, there's a microphone. So, now we're gonna get into testing this microphone. So, yeah, let me just go over to my host PC, and we'll test this thing out. So, yeah. Oh, and by the way, I'm not going to, I'm gonna plug this in, too, because I just want to test this. So, yeah, we're gonna put this in, so, yeah, pretty nice. And, yeah. Alright, so as you can see here, you can see we have, you know, my Dell coming up, asking me what I just plugged in. These are headphones. So, on ear, yeah, sure. They're going to just do optimize. So I guess that just optimizes it. So yeah, we're gonna do a sound test. So let me just pull up a YouTube video for like a sound. What should I pick? I'll pick like I don't know. I'll just pick a random song. Oh, one thing kind of cool is that there's lights on, you know, this controller here. So yeah, there's lights there, I guess. I don't know why you would want to have green lights, but, yeah, let's just test out the, quality, you know? Let's test it out. Okay, I don't know how well this is gonna work, but let's just play it. Okay, it is actually playing. This is Swing Machine by Kevin MacLeod, by the way. I don't know how well you're even gonna hear this. You know what, let's just use OBS, because OBS will probably figure it out. Yeah, OBS should be able to, you know, test this just fine. So, yeah, we're just gonna do it on OBS. So, I guess, that's going to basically be the end of the, phone recording portion. So, yeah, that's gonna be the end of the phone recording portion. So, let me just switch over to OBS real quick and, you know, get this thing working. Oh, wait, I forgot to set it. We're gonna have to go to OBS settings. Headphones. There we go. Oh my gosh, sorry. Yeah, we're gonna, okay, so now that we did that, let's start this over. And, yeah. It's actually, it's actually not that bad. I'm gonna try the, controller now, so, no, you know what, maybe I should switch the microphone over too. Yeah, I'll just switch the microphone over. So, yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, so apparently the microphone doesn't work, so that's not good. I tried it. You probably saw there it didn't really work, so yeah, we're just gonna play the sound. I'm gonna try turning up the volume while I'm playing it. Okay, so I'm pressing the button. You can hear it from my microphone. Yeah, it's not turning the volume up. The volume is on the same thing. Although maybe that's the microphone one. No, it's not. This is the one. Okay, now 7.1 is on. Okay, so um, this is just like some glorified headphones. These buttons really don't do anything. Um, yeah, it doesn't adjust the volume. Um, okay, maybe you have to do this. No, it still doesn't adjust it, and then this doesn't turn down the volume. It's still at 27. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's still at 27. Oh, wait, crap. Oh, you have to plug the microphone into this, right? I think so. Let me just try that real quick. Okay, I plugged the microphone in, and now let me try adjusting the microphone settings. So I'll be right back again. Alright, so we're back, and the microphone has to be plugged into the controller here. So I'm gonna be recording a test file and seeing how well this microphone even does. So yeah, I'll include that in the video. So yeah, I'm gonna actually use that for the outro. So yeah. Alright, we're back, and let's just hear the audio quality here. Shall we? Let's just hear the audio quality. Alright, so that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And what I'm really gonna be using this headphone and microphone for. Okay, this does not sound good at all. I'm just going to switch over. You guys probably do not want to hear this at all. I'm just telling you. Okay, this probably sounds much better. Hopefully. Um, yeah, this sounds much better probably. So I'm going to make sure that it's set back to normal because I don't want to be jump scared with terrible microphone quality whenever I do this. So we're just gonna call this outro for unboxing microphone. Not microphone. Unboxing a headset because the microphone video I already did. Um, so yeah, we're just gonna close Audacity and we're not gonna save the project. So yeah, actually, yeah, that will be the end of the video. I'm gonna include the outro, but yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all in the next video. So I don't know when that will be, but whatever. Bye, guys.